Gar, you're at Traders Network Club, and welcome back to another Pip Hunter Trading Show. So last week, guys, we did amazing. We closed out 162 pips last week. So we just made over 1.3% last week, and we're going to go ahead and look for some more opportunities today and the rest of this week. So I'll see you guys after this break. All right, welcome back, guys, to another Pip Hunter Trading Show. So yeah, guys, we are cashing pips out. Like I said, we just cashed out 162 pips last week. For the month, we're about 700 pips. Okay, so we are doing amazing right now in this Pip Hunter show, and I can't wait for us to do the private sessions for the Starter Pro because we'll be doing shows every day. Okay, we'll be doing 4 private shows a week for you guys, Monday through Thursday, and Friday we'll keep open for a public session here on our YouTube channel. We'll do a live session every Friday on our YouTube channel, but from Monday to Thursday will be private only for our Starter Pro members. So I can't wait to get that started, guys. We are really getting that project launched soon here and getting really ready for this next month, okay? So, yeah, guys, so you can see we're about 7% for the June right now, okay? So we're doing really good for June. Still got about a week left of the month. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Good morning, Jan. Good morning, Tikis. Good morning. Let's go ahead and jump right to the charts. All right. So we did cash all out pips from our trades that I placed on Thursday. Even placed another trade on the Euro US dollar on Friday as well. If you got into that, if you got notified in your trade signals, we got in a trade on the Euro US dollar on Friday. We also cashed out 20 pips on that trade as well. Herb, will Gary be having more live sessions for the Pip Hunter Trade automation? Yes, Herb. Gary also will be doing a live session on the Pip Hunter Trade automation every week, once a week as well. So he'll be doing that, and that will be posted on our YouTube channel, Traders Network Club too, and he'll be posted on FxBigDog as well. So it'll be on both channels, and yes, he'll have one live session a week. Good afternoon, Hard Art from Ghana. Wow. Good afternoon. All right. So you can see I got the Aussie CAD open up on the charts. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what we see here on the Aussie CAD. Okay. So I got the 1 hour. You can see this 1 hour. We have a little bearish move here on the Aussie CAD. You can see we have this nice little downtrend. Price is bouncing off this trend line, but we do have price sitting here at this demand level, okay? So if you go back here, you can see this is a really strong demand level that we have right here, okay? This is a really strong demand zone that price is sitting at. So we expect price to start moving up. So you're going to the 50-minute time frame. And I don't have my RSI, so let me go ahead and oh yeah, I do have it right here. Okay. All right, we'll keep that down for now. Let's see if we do see any divergence here. Oops. Okay, now I'm on the 50-minute time frame here. Don't see that much divergence. Nothing that's going to show us that we're going to get a turnaround very soon here. But we are looking for this price to break through this trend line. Once price breaks through that trend line, it should give enough momentum for price to really pump up. And we should expect price to get back close enough to this previous demand zone, which could be now a supply zone. Okay. So with that being said, we do buy support and we sell resistance. So price is at a support level at this demand. And we're going to go ahead and buy on the Aussie cat. Okay. And we could just, once price breaks through this trend line, we could be looking for this previous high to be broken as well. That's going to give us an indicator to show us that there's a lot of momentum, that price is going to go ahead and test these levels up top. Okay. So here on the Aussie cat, let's go ahead and buy. Good morning, Joseph. All right, so there it is. We're long on the Aussie cat. Let's go ahead and check out the Euro US dollar. All right, the US dollar had a big sell-off. Okay. So the US dollar, let's go take a look. Euro US dollar, let's take a look at the 1 hour here. So the Euro US dollar broke through this trend line here, okay, on the 1 hour. So you can see this was a strong support level here on this trend line. And price broke through that as it came and tested this previous supply zone. Okay, so I definitely expect price to get close enough to this demand zone, okay, which is around 50 pips. So we target 20 pips here in our trades. So if price had to go and reach that target, we'll definitely be over our target. So we'll hit our 20 pips. Okay, so with price breaking through this trend line, it could be trying to test this previous low, and that's definitely going to be where our target is, over our target. So we're going to go ahead and sell on the Euro US dollar. Now, price could even drop down all the way if it breaks through this demand zone. It could go ahead and test this strong demand zone below here, okay? Which I could see that happening since we have this big sell-off and this breakthrough in this trend line. So going back to the 50-minute time frame, you can see price has broken the previous lows, okay? So we're expecting price to come back and definitely should fill this demand zone right here, okay? Should definitely get there. I can even move this a little up too. I can see price getting anywhere in this demand zone right here, okay? So, yeah. And that was a previous supply zone, okay, where price broke through, and now it's become a new demand zone that price was bouncing off. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and sell on the Euro US dollar, and we're gonna go ahead and should be able to reach out 20 pips as price keeps going down. Okay, so Euro US dollar. Let me just double check. Okay, Euro US dollar. Let's go ahead and sell. So we are short on the Euro US dollar. Hey there, Robert. Good morning. Glad for you to make it. If you guys are liking this video, please go ahead and where's my there it is. Yeah, if you guys are liking this video, please go ahead and support the channel. Smash the like button. We appreciate it a lot. That helps us make more of these videos. So please go ahead and support the channel by smashing the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Traders Network Club, and go ahead and subscribe to FxBigDog as well. You know, and also make sure you click the notification button so you get notified when these videos are posted, okay? And then, guys, if you guys have not checked out our professional membership, okay, we have the Pip Hunter Trade Automation, okay, and it's doing amazing. It was over 150% last year, and this year, if I pull it up, okay, this year we're doing just as well. You can see the month returns that we're doing. For June, we're about over 15% for the month. Okay, we've gained this year 152%. So already this year we're at 152%. So we're already better. Already broke our record last year. So it's just improving every year. This month we're about 15%. So you guys can go ahead and check out our results, our returns. The link for this is in the description below. So if you want to go ahead and check that out yourself, everything is in the description below. But yeah, guys, go ahead and check out professional membership. The Trade Replicator is killing it. And if you guys are not subscribed to this, you guys are missing out, because there's a lot of trades. If you're too busy, if you're at work, don't have a lot of time, and you want to just have trades going in and out, automated, this is it right here, guys. This is it for you. So if you guys are really interested in that, which you should be, go ahead and check out professional membership. Okay. All right, US CAD. So the US CAD, huh? Let's check what we got here in the US CAD. Let's take a look at this 1 hour. Oh, wow. Okay. So price broke through, came back down, broke through this previous, I want to say previous demand zone. Okay. Well, previous, previous demand zone. It was a strong supply zone. As you can see, price was really not breaking through the supply zone, came back down, broke through this. So price could come back and go ahead and test this. Yeah, so we got a little falling wedge here. So let me go ahead and delete this stuff here. See if price wants to come over here, test this demand zone. Okay. So I'm going to go and say that's definitely over our target. Okay. I expect price to drop a lot after breaking through this. It might even come back up. Sorry, excuse me. Hey there, Robert. Welcome. So this price broke through this previous demand zone right here. Okay, and I know I have it red because it was over here a supply zone, but price broke through this now, so now this becomes just like support and resistance. Now it's become that previous demand zone. That price came back down and tested and came to this, came over here to this supply zone, and right away it bounced right off that supply zone and came back down. And now we've broken through this, so price could even come back up. We could get a little correction here and come back and test the supply zone, and we could get price moving back to this demand zone. Okay, now this is not that strong of a demand zone, so price could definitely break through here and maybe even go and test around this area right here, or even test around this strong demand zone over here. Okay, because if we do look back here, let me go ahead and erase that. You can see this was a strong demand zone right here that price was testing. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and sell here on the US CAD. Now that we got a strong breakthrough, we could have a correction, but that's fine. We do dollar cost averaging when price does correct. So that is how we work our strategy. Okay, so price does come ahead and want to go ahead and test, which I don't even think it would be enough pips to even for our trades to get in, because it's usually about 20 to 25 pips, maybe even a little more, where we do get into a new position. But if so, we'll go ahead and get into these new positions as price comes back down. Okay, so that helps us average our cost. So Aussie, the US CAD. So we're on the US CAD. So the US CAD, we're gonna go ahead and sell. And do I see? Okay. All right. Oops. All right, US CAD. Go ahead and sell in the US CAD. And there it is. We're short at 2 positions and long in 1 position. We got 2 more trades left. It looks like you have 6 charts now. What the extra pair are you looking at? No, these are just 5 pairs. This is just this is nothing right here. Okay, this is just the Telegram provider signal. Okay, just shows us our trades right here, so you can see we're in 3 trades: the Euro, US dollar, Aussie CAD, US CAD. Okay. That's all this is right here, okay? But the 5 pairs is 3 up here and 2 below here. Okay, that's the 5 pairs we're trading. All right, guys, I do have a video here I want to share. A video brought by a sponsor, 8cap. All right, there's a video brought by 8cap. If you guys are interested in signing up with a broker, go ahead and check that. It's in the link description below. Okay, it's in the description below. There's a link. So go ahead and check that out if you're interested in signing with 8cap. Okay. So we got 2 more pairs left, and let's see what we have here. Let's go ahead and check out the Cat Swiss. All right, this is the 1 hour. All right. So looking at the 1 hour, price is breaking this previous high. Okay. Which I already did over here. So we are creating, looks like we are creating lower lows. I mean higher lows, sorry. So we are creating lower lows. You're looking at the MACD. So price is starting to move here on the 1 hour. Okay. So going to the 50 minutes, starting to move up. So price is starting to move up. And I expect, especially with this huge sell-off right here, we have a lot of imbalance zones that price needs to come back up. So I expect here, as we get to the strong, now as you can see on the 1 hour here, this is a very strong demand level. Okay. As price came here and bounced, I expect price to break through this and come back and start coming into this imbalance zone over here. Okay. So going back to the 50-minute time frame. Yeah, I expect price to come into this zone. And if we look right now, that's definitely going to hit our target. Okay, 20 pips. It's going to be just more than 20 pips. So we're going to go ahead and buy here on the Cat Swiss. Okay. Looking at the RSI as well, you can see momentum still just moving up, creating us the lower highs. So let's go ahead and buy here on the Cat Swiss. And we're going to go ahead and reach our target on that previous supply zone. I had it green, but that's a previous supply zone. So the Cat Swiss, we're going to go ahead and buy. Okay. So we got the New Zealand CAD left. And we can delete that. We don't need that. We don't need this anymore here. All right, New Zealand CAD. Huh. Look at this. So price broke through this. Could come back down to this zone right here. Oops. Hopefully you guys don't hear my son crying. I do have a 10-month-old son, so he does cry, and it looks like he's having a miserable morning today, so my wife is dealing with that. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and delete all this old data that we don't need right here. So yes, we do have price breaking through this demand zone. Okay. Now I'm gonna just take a look at this 1 hour here. So I'm not getting any positive divergence looking at the 1 hour. We are getting an oversold position. We are close to demand. And this is just a previous demand. Okay. So we did have a breakthrough on this on the stronger demand zone here. Okay. Let's take a look at the 50-minute time frame. Okay, there it is. All right, that's the divergence I'm seeing on the 50-minute time frame. So let me go ahead and so here we go. We got a little price moving down here to this demand zone, but we do have momentum moving up. So it looks like we do having a turnaround here, and we should have this correction move of price moving up. Now, this could definitely be not just a correction move. This could be price breaking back through this higher. Okay, well, this is not. We could have a little consolidation too as price moves in this demand zone. So with the New Zealand CAD, okay. So let's have a little falling wedge. So I expect price to come back up definitely and move into this back into the zone, which is about 20 pips. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and buy on the New Zealand CAD. Okay, as we're moving close to this previous support here, where and we got a little positive divergence on the 50-minute time frame. We're gonna go ahead and buy here on the New Zealand CAD. So there's the recap, guys. We're short in the US CAD, we're short in the Euro US dollar, and we're long in the CAD Swiss, long in the Aussie CAD, and we're long in the New Zealand CAD. So we got in all 5 pairs today. Just like I wanted to do that for you guys. I wanted to try and get in all 5 and start off the week strong. I like to start off strong and finish strong. You guys know that. So yeah, so that's it for the today. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another session, like always, at 9:30 a.m. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for another Pip Hunter show. You guys take care, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, take care.